In this video, I'll show you how to enable iCloud on your MacBook. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. At the top of the left-hand menu, click your name. If you are not signed in, click Sign In and enter your Apple account email address and password. Once you are signed in, click iCloud. You'll now see a list of apps and features that can use iCloud. Turn on the options you want, such as iCloud Drive, Photos, Passwords, Contacts, Notes, and Messages. To enable iCloud Drive, click Drive, then turn on Sync this Mac. This allows you to store files in iCloud and access them from your iPhone, iPad, or another Mac using the same Apple account. You can also turn on Desktop and Documents folders if you want those files to sync with iCloud. Once you're finished, you can close System Settings. Your Mac will now begin syncing your selected files and information with iCloud. And that's how you can enable iCloud on your MacBook. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.